Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about how to create a line chart in Excel. Line charts are excellent for visualizing trends over time and comparing data across different categories. Purpose: to display change over time as a series of data points connected by straight line segments on two axes. First, let's set up our data for this demonstration. We have the percentage progress figures by month wise as the data here to create a line chart to see the trend movement. Let's create now. Select the range from B7 to N8, go to Insert, click on the 2D line chart or line chart with markers. Now just simply do the formatting to this, like adding chart title, add data labels, remove the grid lines, add axis titles, adjust the colors to make the chart more visually appealing. You can click on Change Chart Type to select any of these designs if you have saved in your templates. You can see the final output like this, and here are some of the samples for your reference. Line charts are a fantastic way to visualize trends over time and compare different data sets. By following these simple steps, you can create and customize your own line charts to enhance your data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.